Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, remove the 6 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 2 screws in the back corners of the base cover. Pry the base cover away from the recess points near the hinges to remove it. Identify and unlatch the memory module. Grasp the module by the edges to remove it from the system. To reinstall the memory module, relatch it to the system. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the screws to secure it. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.